phone died. So this is a part 2. I just put away my underwear, not my leggings. So let's put away the other stuff I have, and then my baby brother's stuff, which is gonna be so annoying because he has a lot more stuff than I do. I literally woke up at 8:47 and I'm still tired, and it's like 11. Probably like 12 or 1 by the time you see this video. But if you're one of those people who always check my channel to see if I posted anything, then you'll see this pretty soon. Hey, quick reminder, don't give up on your dreams, because your dreams are one of the most important things that you can, God's the most important thing. We love him, he cares about us, and he loves us. He keeps us protected, and so much more. And if you have a Bible, you should read it, but it's probably all dusty. So, you blow that dust off and start reading page 1 to the very, very end. And it won't take, you don't have to do it in one day. You can do it in multiple days. And you don't have to start today, but you should. Okay, back to putting my clothes away. So this one is my pajama drawer, which is pretty packed. So let's just put it in my long sleeve drawer. I can't film this because I don't feel like putting you in my camera, and plus it's pretty packed. Okay. Now I have a few things left. Just underwear and some t-shirts and some pants. And obviously some shorts. And that's it, and then I have to do my brother's. So let me just do this. Actually, I have like 41 minutes I can do this video, so let's just film me doing this. Okay, so now I only had one t-shirt, a couple of underwears, and then no socks, surprisingly, and then just some pants and just like one pair of shorts. So let me just put that away. Now let's do my baby brother stuff. So first I'm gonna like put the pajamas with the pajamas and the t-shirts with the t-shirts and stuff like that. Luckily I have 2 baskets because he has a lot of stuff. Hey, I know I said I had 2 piles, but they were small. Like, small. Okay. I'm gonna put this here and just start on. Let's go. I'm gonna take a nap after this. Well, even if I can. I'm so tired. Why does my lip look so big? Alright, whatever, let's just get started. My lunch plus breakfast was so good because I ate it like 8 minutes ago. And it's like lunchtime, basically. Alright, so let me just start. I can't stop doing like with my hands. It's so annoying, it annoys me. I don't even know why I do it. Sorry about the barking and the cicadas, like, making that noise. Did you know that cicadas making that sound? And you want to know how they do it? If you don't know, they just get their wings and go. Because you know how we make a noise together, and it goes like, it sounds like this. That's what they're doing. So yeah, let's get started. I'm so tired. Whatever. Hold on. I'm back. So my brother, he came in and just threw a bag at my hand, and it was the metal part. It's like a soft leather bag, but the metal part hit my hand right here, and it's like getting bruised now. It hurts. Let's get started. You should feel how much I don't want to do this right now. Oops. Someone's car is going off. Yeah. I think they accidentally hit a button. Like, you know how you have like a button on your car? It's like, make that one go. Or like, some kid opened the door while the car was locked. Okay, shorts go with shorts, pajamas go with pajamas. Short sleeve goes with shorts. Short sleeves, long sleeves. Pajamas goes with pajamas. Like swimsuit stuff goes with swimsuit stuff. I'm so tired. Let's go. Fancy pajama. Underwear to go with pajamas. Don't ask me why. I think I messed this video up a lot. Like a lot. Because I just realized I was talking when it was muted. Not muted, when it was paused. And then when I undid it, I didn't talk. What do? Okay, now I'm doing it good. Okay, whatever, it doesn't matter now. I found the top to this, I think. Let me check. I think it's in his pajama drawer. Nope. I gotta be careful because, like, there's two pieces of furniture, and this one is on the top. It's heavy, and it can fall on my bed because it's not, like, screwed down. It's just like, alright. Let's go. Pajamas, short sleeves, pajamas, short sleeves, and long sleeves, swimming stuff. Okay, so we got like a little bit of area open. So, oh my gosh, I want to go to the library, so I have to hurry this up. Oops. Okay, so I'm putting the short sleeves and the long sleeves in this one area where I can put them in the basket. Ready? So yeah, pajamas are gonna go with here. Shorts are here. Swimsuit stuff is there. So I'm done with the swimsuit stuff. I think. I'm sure. I think I am. Okay. Oh, my baby brother peed in these. Literally just the other day. And my sister threw them out. But I guess my mom took them out of the trash. Or my dad. And just washed them. Yeah, they're washed. So let's put it in the shorts area. If I don't grab anything, that means like it's short sleeves or long sleeves. My underwears again. If this eye looks more closed, and this eye, just because this eye is darker, it's like a darker green. This eye is a lighter green. Shorts, short sleeve, my pants, short sleeve, shorts, underwear slash pajamas. Not slash, they just go in the pajama drawer. Underwears that go in the pajama drawer. How about that? Shorts. T-shirt. Sorry about that. Pajamas. And then we have more. So, and then we have more stuff to put away. Yeah. Short sleeve. why not another short sleeve? And pants, well, pajamas, because he doesn't have, he shares pants with his shorts, I think. Let me check. Yeah, he does. Hold on, someone's coming in my room. We only need one basket, that's crazy. Alright, let's put his pajamas in the basket. This. Right, there we go. Let me put that away. Okay. Let me just use this really quick. Okay. So, t-shirt, 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 long sleeve, t-shirt, t-shirt, one long sleeve. Now his pajamas and his stuff. Pajamas are bottom of the drawer, which I hate the most because it's bad. And like these some stuff can just hold on. Okay, let's put away the stuff I have. Just only underwears and pants. Underwears and then gotta put away shorts. So now basket in the laundry room. So tired. And that's it for today, guys. Bye. Sorry, just doing other stuff, so I couldn't film all of it. So bye, guys.